Okay, we're coming up onto the boom truck and we're taking pictures of it. And so one of the things that's noticeable is that it's got a loud PTO, which most likely I would think is a problem with the, what's he doing? With a bearing of some kind. It does need a new muffler. Has rear stabilizers. Has a door that we're going to reattach here, make it look better. Larry's going to show us how to operate the thing. And then you can see it coming down. Take a look at the engine while we're at it. It hasn't been started in years. And it started right up. Needs a paint job. Can you swivel it left and right? Well, that's not a good demo. Alright, you're going to bleed the air out? Okay. Alright.